My name is Marlon. I am from Missouri in the United States of America. I am a massage therapist. I'm all the way over here, halfway across this globe, because I found out about the osteopathy. When I found out about this, I said, this is a good compliment. It's something else I can put in the toolbox. It may be something I do primarily. So some of the techniques are so subtle versus massage. You're like, some things are very rough, some things are very gentle. This is actually about taking things very gently and finding where dysfunctions are, adhesions are, and I love it. I'm all about life is too stressful, life is too painful as it is right now. We need some more gentleness. Everything about it is great. The class was amazing. Really good classmates, an incredible variety of backgrounds. We've had physical therapists in there, we have doctors in here. I felt like I was a person with the least amount of education here, but everybody just brought me on up, and I love that. It was like a big family.